was better to stay inside with the AC actually. Anyway, here we are. Woo, this is really strong. Much needed actually. 101 years of the Republic of Turkey. And that one I told you is Atatürk, the founder of the modern Turkey or Turkey. Call it as you want. Jimmy, we're gonna take the tram tomorrow, but actually we might take it now. What do you think? What do you think about that? I mean, we have the card. I don't know where this one goes actually, this tram, but it's full. Oh my god. I don't remember where I put the card, actually, the Istanbul card, guys. Let's see. There we are, found it. I hope to have enough money. Yeah, I think it would be nice to take the tram if it's not super full, because it looks like it's gonna be packed. If it's gonna be super full, guys, actually I think we'll be super full. Might as well take it tomorrow then. I really don't feel to stay there with this hot. And this is Taksim Square, guys. This is where everything passes. Either a manifestation. This is where people unite in this square. This is the most famous square of Istanbul. Taksim Square. Here there are celebrations, there are meetings. Now guys, I would love to go to grab a bottle of water to Carrefour. Look, it's still getting crowded. Too many people. See, it's iconic, this tram. This red tram. Everyone is taking photos. Tonight guys, brace yourself because we're gonna find one of these places and we're gonna eat a good doner kebab. Street food. As we like it, yeah? We love street food. Oh boy. We are in a supermarket, guys. Let's grab a bottle of water. Which one? Saka you have? Big. Saka.
No, Saka.
Pinar, big? Thank you. Pinar. I think this one is good, guys. Pinar. Let's take this one. And let's pay. Done, guys. Now the plan is to try to get back to the hotel, and we're gonna get back to the hotel with the tram or metro, I don't even understand, with a train, something. So we're gonna walk like 15 minutes now, go to the station and take that train, and then arrive as close as possible to the hotel. Let's do it. All right, apparently we have to go this way, guys. Oof, which way is this? Is it? I don't know. I think yes, I think here we are in the right one, yeah. Let's go. Very hidden this road actually. Oh, is it closed there? No, I hope not. No, I think it's open. According to Google it's open, I hope so. Okay, I think we have to go this way, guys. We're going down basically. I hear something coming, yeah. Hey, what are you doing? What's up? Here I think we have to go, no. We have to go down here. Okay, wow. Yeah, we need to go close to the sea. Look how nice these flowers. Wow. So many stairs here. Trying to not fall. We unlocked a new zone, guys. There are a lot of pizzerias here. A lot of, well, not so many barber shops, but a lot of pizzerias I noticed. Already 4 I saw. Favorite water, I think Saka or Pinar. That water we bought is really good. I like it too. This is really a residential zone, guys. Reminds me a bit of Albania, actually, this one. I wish this was our hotel, guys. So we arrived, we rest, but no, pretty far now. And I think we are on the wrong road, guys. We need to go more down here. So let's cut towards this street. You see the sea, amici miei? I told you we needed to arrive close to the sea to take our mean of transportation, which at this point I think is a tram, the new one. Why is wet here? I hope nothing will fall. Already some drops fell before on my head somewhere else. So yeah, I really don't feel to get wet now. Let's get there, guys. Let's see. Thank you. Let's cut the hair ready. Super hot. Look how nice, guys. Fantastic. Amazing experience. Amazing. Let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye. What do you think, guys? It took almost 1 hour to cut. Very, very good. 10 double washed, not only once. And 10 he put also some perfume. So really, really a perfectionist, I would say. Really good. Good. Now we go to take the tram, I think is, or the train, to Sultanahmet here in Istanbul. Sultanahmet. I spoke with another client there. Apparently it's the tourist zone, guys, where we stay. So that's why things are pretty expensive, I would say. So tonight we might go somewhere else to eat a doner kebab. And I discovered that kebab and doner kebab are two different things. So who does kebab might not do the doner kebab. You understand? So yeah. Amici miei, we need to go there to take that tram, but how do I get there? I think from here. Okay, yes, I guess we need to cross there and then we go on the left, guys. We're gonna wait for the green light, we're gonna cross here and then just go there and take, I don't know which side actually, because we need to go to Beyazit. Ah, okay, it's written Bakçılar, so the one on the left, I guess, yeah. Until Beyazit, 17 minutes. Right, and I hope I have some money. I just, oh my god, look, it's there. It's there, guys. Okay. And it's still red for us. Yeah, we lost it, guys. Look, we take the next one. I noticed it takes a lot of time here, the light, the traffic light, to get green for us pedestrians. I don't know. Might be just my impression, actually. I don't know. Okay. How do I cross there? I think we can walk here. Yeah, I think we can walk here, guys. Don't have enough amount in this Istanbul card, guys, and it was 27, I think, the amount, and we had 26 and something. So yeah, I paid with the card, with Apple Pay. So yeah, it's coming, guys. Wow, pretty fast. Okay, nice. A nice color. I like it. Amazing. Where do we get in? I get in from here. I want to get in from here, actually. Shall we sit? Let's sit here. Super tired. It's our station, guys, and it's full, so I don't know how to get out.
Pardon.
Let's go, guys.
Pardon.
Super full. Super full.
Sayın yolcularımız, peşimizden müsait araçlar gelecektir.
Couldn't get out, guys. Super full. We go out from here. Good. We are close to the hotel, guys. Wow, look how lively it is now, this zone, guys. So this is the closest tram station to our hotel, guys. Indeed, from here we're gonna walk only 7 minutes. So you see, our hotel is really close to the sea. Wow. Okay, you think we can cross? I think yes. Smells like asphalt here, guys. I think they put new asphalt. And here we need to go right. You remember we started this morning from here, from this zone, and now we're gonna walk back to the hotel. What a long day has been, wow. But really nice, really nice places, really nice people, really nice food. And it's not over yet, because tonight we're gonna go out again. So yeah. Alright, some loud music there, guys. Amici miei, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It helps a lot the channel. I told you at the beginning of the year we had an itinerary that we are following. Indeed, we are going in several countries. We have been to Albania, we have been now to Turkey, Istanbul. We have been to Bulgaria, we've been to Ukraine, we have been in so many countries and the list will go on. So please hit the subscribe button.